this section of my video, we will be going through the concept of type of images formed during reflection with the help of plane mirror as well as spherical mirrors. We should know the type of image formed in order to distinct between the images formed during the process of reflection. Now one thing you should keep in mind that how an image is formed. Let us suppose this is one reflected ray and this is another reflected ray. Images are actually formed when reflected rays intersect at the point. Whether these are real rays or virtual rays, depending upon the type of images formed. You should remember that the reflected rays, not incident rays, reflected rays should meet at a point or intersect at a point to form an image. Now moving on to the type of image, the very first image is the real image. What is a real image? Image formed by intersection of real rays. Now when real rays intersect at a form, we will be getting a real image. Now what are real rays? Real rays are actual rays. We generally represent real rays by solid lines. So if real rays, I am just drawing a basic diagram. If real rays intersect at a common point and these should be reflected rays, a real image is formed. These real rays represents the actual propagation of path of light. Now the second type of image is the virtual image. Second type is virtual image. On the contrary, virtual image can be expressed as image formed by the intersection of virtual rays. Now what are virtual rays? We generally represent virtual rays by these dotted lines or imaginary lines. So as you have observed, if real rays are meeting at a certain point, a real image is formed. Similarly, if a virtual rays, two or more virtual rays are meeting up at a point, then at the point of intersection of the virtual rays, virtual image is formed. Now one thing you should remember, that virtual rays are generally formed by extending the real rays in backward direction, as you will be observing the similar concept while going through the image formation of a plane mirror, that real rays does not intersect at a certain point. So what we are doing, we are just extending the real rays behind the mirror in order to get an image, and we will observe that the extended rays, that is the virtual rays, will intersect at a certain point, giving a virtual image. Moreover, real images can be taken on screen and virtual images can be observed or seen in a mirror. So this was the basic concept behind the type of images. I hope you have understood this concept well. Thank you.